Have you ever dreamed of owning land but thought, there's no way I can afford it? What if I told you that many landowners started with little money and simply knew where to find the right funding opportunities? Today, I'm going to share 5 ways you can get capital to purchase land and move one step closer to your dream of ownership. Hello, everyone. I'm Dennis Thompson with Cube Capital Group, where we help individuals and entrepreneurs find funding opportunities to build wealth and create financial freedom. Let's jump right in. Land loans. The first option is a land loan. Many banks and credit unions offer financing specifically for vacant land. Depending on your credit score and down payment, you may qualify for a loan that helps you purchase property now instead of waiting years to save. USDA programs. Second, look into USDA programs. If the property is located in a rural area, there may be government-backed programs designed to support rural development and land ownership. These programs can provide favorable financing options that traditional lenders may not offer. Seller financing. Third, don't overlook seller financing. Some landowners are willing to finance the property themselves. This often means less paperwork, flexible terms, and faster approvals. Many buyers never ask, but you'd be surprised how often sellers are open to the conversation. Business funding. Fourth, if the land will be used for farming, agriculture, or business purposes, you may qualify for business funding. Many entrepreneurs use business capital to acquire land that supports income-producing activities. Investors and partnerships. And fifth, consider investors or partnerships. Pooling resources with others can help you purchase larger properties while reducing your personal investment. Remember, land ownership isn't just about buying property. It's about creating opportunities, building wealth, and leaving a legacy for future generations. If you could purchase land today, what would you use it for? Drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more funding and wealth building tips. See you in the next video.